Hello everyone, this is Sarita and you are watching Sarita's English Corner. As you know, this is day 8 of my 30 days English challenges and I am here to practice with you. And I hope you will do the same. In today's video, I am going to share a challenge I faced. I was scared of making mistakes. I had strong fear about grammar. I just wanted to speak English with accuracy, which was my myth. No one can become perfect in grammar in their initially time, but I was unaware of that things. And sometimes I used to compare myself with fluent speaker, and because of that I stopped practicing. I felt an inferiority complex, but that was not like that. It was my learning time, and moreover, I wasn't aware of the practice. Sorry. And but however, I realized with time that I should practice regularly. This is the best method to improve my English, and then I kept doing practice regularly, and that is when my progress began. And as you can see, nowadays I can elaborate my thought properly, although I still make many grammatical errors, but that things can't stop me speaking this language. But earlier it could stop me because I had that fear. I didn't want to make mistake. Sometimes I used to think, uh, until I improve my English, I will not talk to anyone. And that was my myth. When you try to speak, then you can improve. Otherwise, without talking to anyone, you cannot improve your English. First, you have to do practice. Mistakes are not problem. They are very natural. They will help you to improve. When you make any mistake, it will teach you that you have to improve it. I still make many natural mistakes which I know. Actually, I know I should not use this here there, but while speaking I use. Why it happens? Because this is my learning time. I'm not fluent yet, I'm still a learner like you. But I would say I am enough confident because I am creating video and uploading it on social media. Although I know there are many of you, they can judge me very badly, they can criticize me, but I don't have fear because I know I have many problems while speaking, and that's why I'm here to improve my English. I just want to become confident in front of others. And I feel when you don't create video, you feel you know everything, but the moment you create video you can notice your mistakes. Only this thing can help you. What you used to think your initial journey there, you need not to think, you have to think according to your time. Now I can elaborate my thought. That is my aim, and gradually I will improve. You cannot brush up on your grammar portion suddenly. It will improve gradually. You have to wait till then you will become fluent, and it can takes a long, but you have to stay here, you have to keep working. And I hope this video will help you a lot. So please don't forget hit the like button and subscribe my channel to stay connected with my upcoming videos.